Hi guys, welcome back to Paradise Slimes. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make Jiggly Slime, and this will be the second video on our channel, so let's get into the tutorial. So first, you want to get a bowl of any sort. I'm just using this glass bowl. Then you want a mixing tool, and just to help you guys out, I'm using measurements, so you're going to need 1 cup measurement and a 1/2 cup measurement. And then I'm also just using these teaspoons and tablespoons, whatever. You could use any of them. That's just to spoon my activator into this. But you don't have to use that. These are totally optional, but I would recommend having these two. And then you'll also be needing glue. I'm just using Elmer's white school glue gallon. Again, you don't have to use the same brand or same size of glue I have, but as long as you have glue, then you're good. And I recommend white glue definitely for this. But you can definitely make a jiggly slime with clear glue also. So, oh, and you also need this. I'm sorry guys. You also need well, you don't need Dermasil. You just need any type of lotion, which this is why I recommend white glue, because it will definitely tint your slime if you're using clear glue. But anyways, you're also going to be needing water, which I don't have any right now, but I'm going to get it when I need it. But first you're going to add whatever glue of sort you're using. Let me just open this bottle, it's so hard to open. Okay, so you can just add however much of glue you want. I'm putting in about 1 cup of glue. I'm just eyeing it. Okay, that might have been a bit more than 1 cup, I'm sorry. But I'm just eyeing that. Okay, now let me just put my lid back on. Next, you're going to want to add lotion of your choice. This is just to make the slime stretchy, but it still will be jiggly. So just go ahead and add about 1/4 amount of that into your bowl. And then go ahead and start mixing those two together. Okay, I definitely think I put more than 4 fluid ounces, but you know, that's okay. And I'm sorry if the camera's shaky. I obviously have my stack of slimes to keep it up, because I don't have a tripod or anything. So we're just gonna do this. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to go grab some water and I'll start recording again. Okay, hi guys, I'm back, and first of all, I'm just going to oh my gosh, I can't talk. I'm just going to be adding some food coloring so you guys can see it better. So I'm going to make my pink. This is red food coloring. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of it, and I'm sorry if I'm out of breath. I just ran up the stairs and downstairs fast. So, there we go. My lid is a mess. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix my food coloring. Hopefully I didn't add too much food coloring. I don't think I did. I think it'll make a nice salmon color of one of the other slimes I have that are pink. I don't have that many pink slimes, so I figured, you know, might as well make a pink slime because I have so many blue slimes, so yeah. So now that I mixed all my food color, I'm going to add 1/2 cup of water. It could be lukewarm or cold. I never tried it with hot water, so if any of you guys try that, please let me know in the comments down below how it goes, because I've never done it. So that'll be pretty interesting to see what it does. And it'll look like it's dead. It is falling apart, but don't worry guys, just keep mixing until it forms a solid. And even if it's like a watery solid, as long as it has one texture, you're good, because that's what's going to make your slime jiggly. Is if it's more watery, that's the jigglier it's going to be. So if you guys don't want it like super jiggly, like it's kind of like so jiggly that's like this kind of jiggly, then I would add 1/4 cup versus 1/2 cup. I just want to make mine super jiggly, so that's why I'm adding this much in. So my texture should be kind of watery, because it is mainly water now. It's half water. Now you can go ahead and take activator of your choice. I'm using 1 teaspoon of borax and 1 cup of warm water. So this is when my little teaspoons and tablespoons come in, because I don't want to add too much. I have a habit of doing that, and I always overactivate my slimes a lot, so I'm just adding a half teaspoon at a time. So I'm going to add like 3 in. Actually, I'll just do 5 because this is a bigger batch of slime, so I'm going to do that. And just go ahead and mix that in the amount of slime you have. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to use a big one because I'm going to need more actually, so I'm using 1 tablespoon because I can tell I'm just going to need way more still. So that's 1, that's 2. So I think I need to make more activator off camera because I don't know if I have enough, but just keep adding, like, I'd recommend a teaspoon at a time if you've never made slime before, or else you can just eye it if you made it before and you know how to do this, and do it until you get your desired consistency, making sure it's not like this, you're not going to get anything wet on your fingers. That's usually a desired consistency, and I'll be back once I have activated my slime. Okay guys, so I just finished activating my slime. I did overactivate it slightly. I literally used measuring cups so I wouldn't do this, but you know, I just have a tendency to do this. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you guys the texture. Oops, I'm knocking everything over. This is what my slime should look like. Super jiggly. You can hear the noise. You can hear the water in it almost, but since mine is overactivated slightly, you're not going to get the same thing, like texture, I guess, because mine's overactivated, but you should get a texture that looks like this. I have another Jiggly Slime I made before. Your texture, oh my gosh, it should be like this. It doesn't have to be as glossy, but like, it should be clicky and just super jiggly. But so I activated mine. Mine's not really like that, but if you squeeze it, you can kind of just hear the water. You can just hear the sound, and so I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, and also if you guys like my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. And please comment down any suggestions you have for videos or slime ideas, because I do have an Etsy shop. It is Paradise Slimes, and so make sure you go check it out. And I also have Instagram, which is paradiseslimes.inc, INC, for incorporation. And I post a lot of slime playing videos on there, and I might post some sneak peeks of future YouTube videos on there also. But yeah, you basically get behind the scenes of all my slimes and sometimes YouTube videos on there. So if you guys have Instagram and you guys like me, then go ahead and check that out also. And again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a great rest of your day or night. Thank you. Bye.